Guys, we're at the Bash event. We're recording all kinds of content that's coming on the channel for you. To add insult to injury right now, this is a beautiful shot, don't get me wrong. But look at all these ZR1s with the high wing. This high wing is beautiful and it is dynamic, man. It just sucks that we can't get it. It is Thursday, the first day of the Bash. Not quite sure what's going on. I just got a little bit different feel of a vibe and wanted to share with you guys. This Sunday's Coffee with Conti is going to be really cool too, by the way. Mike from Brink of Speed was here, and he and I just walked around for what little bit of cars were here and had a conversation about the cars. A little bit of tidbits. It's Mike and Rick's top picks from the Bash. I think you guys will enjoy that conversation. So join me on Sunday if you would. What's weird right now is usually when you come to the Bash, this is always recap of the current year and then what's going on with next year. There's nothing out here right now on day one for next year. Remember last year they had the stanchions up there, they had the pictures of the cars and little models of the cars rather and all the different colors and stuff. There's nothing out here for 2026. Some of the people have talked to the GM people and they said, well, we're not sure if the 26 stuff is going to be revealed on Friday. What do you mean you're not sure? What is going on? Now, tomorrow is the only day from Chevrolet they're going to do an official presentation. We anticipate that they're going to talk about 2026. Maybe that's when they're going to reveal what's going on with 26 and new colors. Here's the other thing I wanted to share with you guys. I should put this on the channel because I think I'm right in this too. This is no intel. This is just intuition, thinking about other potential colors that we would lose. A color we might lose for 2026, my guess, red mist. You're like, oh no, it's been around 5 years. And they might change it up and it'll be, remember it was magnetic red back in the day. Magnetic red 2, it is crystal red, and it's Long Beach red, it is red mist. So we're gonna get another derivative of that, I would assume, if they do that. We heard rumor too that Rapid Blue was going away, but no confirmation. That's what we're waiting to see here at this event. That's why I'm so excited to be here with you guys. But here's some of the cars that are up underneath the canopy. It's a lot of stuff you saw last year. A few more ZR1s, obviously. And this car, oh my gosh, the GT3R race car. Holy crap. This thing, wow. This is really something. So, having a great time at the Bash. I've met so many wonderful people. I really appreciate your feedback. The folks that watch the channel, how we have motivated you, educated you, the emotions that we're sharing. Dude, it's this car. It is so unique, and it is such an honor for me to have that opportunity to share this with you guys. So that's my little spidey sense on 2026. I hope I'm wrong. Tomorrow is the Bash. I'll probably do a quick video again with you guys here on Facebook and Instagram, and then of course we're going to capture some stuff to share on the channel very, very soon. Thanks for joining us from the National Corvette Museum.